Today I will discuss the law of definite proportion. Law of definite proportion was given by Joseph Proust. J. Proust. The law of definite proportion was given by Joseph Proust. Joseph Proust. The law states that a compound may be formed by different chemical reactions and its sources may be of different types. For example, carbon dioxide may be obtained from different sources by the reaction of carbon and oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide also reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Methane reacts with oxygen, that is methane burns in oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. When calcium carbonate is heated, we will get calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Sodium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid. We also get sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. Sodium bicarbonate also reacts with hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. Thus we see carbon dioxide may be prepared by different chemical reaction, that is different method of preparation, and the source of carbon dioxide may be of different types. However, ratio of carbon and oxygen in all these carbon dioxide will always be constant. It is the law of definite proportion. That is, Joseph Proust states that the ratio of the elements present in a given compound will always be constant and it remains independent from the source of the compound and their method of preparation. It is the law of definite proportion. Law of definite proportion. Now, we discuss the law of multiple proportion. Law of multiple proportion. Law of multiple proportion. It was given by John Dalton. The law may be understood by taking an example. Hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water. Hydrogen also reacts with oxygen to form hydrogen peroxide. That is, two types of oxide will form when hydrogen reacts with oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen combines to form water and hydrogen peroxide. In water, the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen may be calculated as 1 into 2 is to 16 into 1. That is 2 is to 16 and 1 is to 8. Similarly, 1 into 2 is to 16 into 2. That is 2 is to 32 and 1 is to 16. We see ratio of hydrogen and oxygen in both water and hydrogen peroxide is 1, but ratio of oxygen in water and hydrogen peroxide is 8 is to 16. 8 is to 16. It may be simplified as 1 is to 2. It is the law of proportion. That is, law of proportion states that when an element, say hydrogen in this example, reacts with its fixed ratio with other element to form different compounds, say in example water and hydrogen peroxide. In other compounds, ratio of the elements will always be in simple multiple ratio. So it is the law of multiple proportion. Similarly, nitrogen reacts with oxygen to form nitrous, nitrous oxide. Nitrogen also reacts with oxygen to form nitric oxide. Nitrogen also reacts with oxygen to form dinitrogen trioxide. Nitrogen also reacts with oxygen to form nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen also reacts with oxygen to form dinitrogen pentoxide. In all these compounds, ratio of nitrogen will be same, but ratio of oxygen in these compounds will become 1:2:3:4:5 by mass in these compound. It is the law of multiple proportion given by the John Dalton. In next video we will discuss the Avogadro's hypothesis.